Alright, what's up guys? As you guys can see, I'm in a trade right now. I'd rather do this than do a trade recap, just live record it. I just didn't do my, record my analysis or anything. I've already I haven't taken the trades, but I've already caught 2 W trades, but I didn't, enter on them just because it wasn't particularly my exact model. I didn't want to break my rules, but I finally found my model here. We got our sweep of liquidity tapping into a PD rate at the exact same time, then display slower, CISD, all these different things. And so I caught my entry here. We're already up 20 ticks. My final TP is resting at this hourly fair value gap. I'm just hoping we don't react off this 1 minute here. And these wicks are already kind of looking like it might, so we might move to break even soon. We'll see. I mean, if we can inverse this gap, I'm gonna move my stop to break even right away. We'll see we'll see if price closes below it. I'm hoping it does. We have 15 more seconds here. I'm liking that displacement. Really? Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Fuck, we didn't get inverse it. Okay, well, hopefully this candle will. I might move my stop to break even here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move my stop to break even now. So close, man. Come on. Wow, we just got edged by 1 tick. That's crazy, man. Holy fucking shit, dude. Okay, well now we gotta hope we don't come up retrace into this first. Well, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's not that far away. Fuck, man. That's annoying, dude. We were so close, bro. Look at this wick, man. Oh my god, that is brutal. We got a wick like that the other way, so... Oh my god. As you guys can tell, I don't know if I already said this, but I'm trading PM session. Obviously, it's not PM for me yet, but PM EST, so... 13:30 is actually my cutoff time if I haven't already entered a trade, so we got in one before 13:30, which is 1:30 EST. So yeah, I mean, the reason I'm trading PM session is because I didn't wake up. It's as simple as that. I didn't wake up at 5 in the morning. So, yeah. Also, I have an excuse, the clocks went forward an hour, so I think I lost an hour of sleep. Even still, bro, I swear my sunrise alarm didn't go off, bro. I mean, I have an alarm on one side of my room and then another on the other side of the room, and I still somehow didn't get up. I don't get it. We did just inverse this gap, so we will see. Maybe this will hold. Come on. One last little move.
Order filled.
Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. TP, smackaroonied. It's actually too easy. 2RR. How much money did we make on that? I'm not even sure. I think like $500, $400, something like that. 482 buckaroos. How much is that Canadian? Let me take a peek. USD to CAD. I guess a lot of you don't know I'm actually in Canada, so we made 700 USD, man. Look at that. What a smackaroony trade. Yeah. Honestly, W price action for being so late in the day. Like, I mean, other than these fat wicks, I mean, but still, I mean, this worked out perfectly. So, honestly, I think that's just gonna end it there. I'll recap real quick why my thought process behind this trade. So, getting on the charts today, I got on at right during this this white candle here. Now, I could have caught a trade early here. I could have caught it all the way down to this hourly. But instead I had to get the re-entry. Now, why didn't I? Uh, well, I didn't even notice it. I didn't notice the setup in time, and by the time I did, we were on the 1 minute here. We were all the way down to like, oh, over here. We were down on like this candle or something, and I would have wanted an entry up here. So I just was like, fuck it, I'm not gonna chase price. Whatever, man. I'll just let him be. So I left it alone, and I just sat on the charts for a bit. I wanted to see if I could get a re-entry. But going into this PM session, we had resting sell side or resting buy side up here, right? Now this original one, the reason why I would have entered was because boom, we swept this internal range high here, and then we displaced lower, and then we had a 5 minute inverse fair value gap that got respected perfectly, almost right off the consequent encroachment of it. And then like I don't know. The reason I didn't want to enter was because we had this 5 minute gap and we were already in it. I don't know if we were going to react first or whatever, but it is what it is. We got the re-entry we wanted, so, and look at it, price is just dumping. We're going to inverse this hourly and we're going to come down so far, man. Like, if you guys look at the daily chart, sorry, I'm getting a little off track here, but like, the daily chart is just brutal, dog. Look at this. Oh, fuck me. This shit is messy, but see the candles, man. It's just drop, 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 man. It just doesn't stop. Anyways, so now for my entry, the reason why I took it, here was my thought process. So, this candle here tapped into this 5 minute fair value gap. On top of that, at the same time, we swept out this internal range liquidity here. We had no other buy side liquidity other than this to really sweep, and if price went up here, I don't know what I would have done there. Maybe I would have looked for shorts again, but this is what I preferred. I wanted to see this sweep while also respecting this 5 minute gap, which we got. So to me, that's super bearish right now, okay? On top of that, we also had this 5 minute SMT, as you guys can see. Let me just fix that. So we had this SMT. Now I'm really starting to realize, okay, I think I know where price wants to go. Obviously, I can't predict anything, but it's telling me right now that it more than likely wants to head lower. There's clear manipulation in the market because on NQ, this was a, where was it? This was a higher high rather than on ES, which was a lower low. So, boom, everything's telling me bearish right now. And then lastly, my final confirmation on this was when we had this CISD right here, which I guess it's not really a CISD technically, because none of these candles here, I mean, this candle, I guess, is the CISD. This black one here, because this is the one that's actually swept the liquidity, so I guess it is. But anyways, we got the CISD we wanted. We retested this 5 minute gap here, and then I entered once we saw a candle closure outside of it. So this was the fill I got. I almost got that, but it really doesn't matter. And then yeah, so that was the trade, guys. My stop was just a tick above these highs, and it worked out flawlessly. We didn't even have one up candle all the way through. So I'm happy with that. I'm done trading today. I have stuff I need to do. Well, not really. I don't do shit with my days, bro. Like, it's actually brutal. But anyways, let me not get too into detail here. Anyways, that's gonna wrap that up, guys. I will see you Tuesday. Hopefully we wake up during market open. But if not, I mean, maybe I try trading the PM session more often. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna prefer it, you know, maybe it's better with less volatility. I don't know. We'll have to try it out. Maybe I'll do a bit of back testing for it. I don't know. I personally don't like back testing that much just because I don't know, your emotions aren't all there. You don't have to watch the trade play out. You just like click buttons and like fast forward the candles. There's no real emotion when you're back testing. And it makes it so much more unrealistic to what trading really is. So I don't know. Like, I feel like I almost get better results when I'm forward testing or literally just trading rather than back testing. I feel like every time I back test, I'm either break even over like 3 months or I'm slightly up profit over 6 months. Like, I don't mean slightly, maybe up like 10K, but over 6 months, I mean trading two, three, four contracts, I mean you should be up more than 10K, right? So, anyways, I am yapping my ass off right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Tuesday, whether it's AM session or PM session. I'm gonna trade. So, yeah, see you boys.